A packed courtroom in the back and forth battle we've been covering for years between Burke County Sheriff Alfonso Williams and the county. It all came to a head today where the sheriff faced off against the county in his fight for more money that's actually costing you, the taxpayer. In a Burke County courtroom, Sheriff Alfonso Williams and County Commissioner sitting across from each other once again as the sheriff fights for control over his budget. Before this hearing, the county filing a motion to dismiss the lawsuit against them.
Your Honor, the amended petition is a classic shotgun pleading. It violates all the rules that I've just read. It's about 17 or 18 pages of just rambling and incoherent legal conclusions. There's some vague factual allegations sprinkled in, but none of it is separated into distinct counts or even into numbered paragraphs.
Sheriff Williams' attorneys argue the county has repeatedly operated outside what the law allows them to do with the sheriff's budget.
The writ of mandamus is to stop the county from exceeding their statutory obligation, which is only to approve an adequate and reasonable budget. That's it. It doesn't give them the power to try to constrain the sheriff by use of the budget. So all that we're asking for is that they be circumscribed to what's in the statute.
On the bench, Judge Harold Hinesley stated the mandamus didn't make much sense. The things the sheriff is asking for don't apply and don't meet requirements for a mandamus.
We'll admit it was somewhat confusing. A mandamus only applies if there's no other remedy, but it appears that you're asking for an injunction or declaratory judgment as opposed to a mandamus.
Judge Hinesley is allowing the sheriff and his attorneys to amend their petition for a mandamus and be more specific in what they're asking for. He's giving them 10 days to file an amended mandamus, and there will be another hearing. The judge suggested the council and sheriff try working through this. This isn't the first time Burke County Sheriff Alfonso Williams has filed a lawsuit against the county over his budget. He did the same thing in November of 2021. He wanted full control of his budget. The sheriff lost, with the judge saying Burke County has the authority to oversee the sheriff's payroll. The sheriff appealed and lost again. The sheriff's legal fight cost Burke County taxpayers more than $150,000. Over the next 3 years, 12 on Your Side Investigates uncovered numerous issues within the sheriff's office. $425,000 in grants the sheriff spent with an unauthorized county credit card, and more than $53,000 missing from confiscated assets. Skip ahead to 2023. The sheriff ran out of money to pay his staff. Commissioners said they told the sheriff multiple times to cut back on spending, and they say he did not listen. The county reports the sheriff has been over budget nearly every year since he's been in office since 2016. Fast forward to this year, June 6. 12 on Your Side Investigates uncovered this incident report. Sheriff Williams threatens to arrest the county manager and commissioners over his budget request not being met. On June 11th, commissioners sent several requests to Georgia Governor Brian Kemp's office asking for help mediating this ongoing situation. The next day, all judges in the judicial circuit recused themselves from hearing the case. A judge outside the circuit is appointed to this case. Just last week, Board of Commissioners held a special called meeting because Sheriff Williams is running out of money to pay his employees again. The sheriff asked for a temporary restraining order to prevent commissioners from approving next year's budget, saying it's not enough. Now, taxpayers will continue to foot the bill as this legal battle continues. Again, there will be another hearing on this matter once Sheriff Williams files an amended mandamus. In the meantime, right now, actually, the Burke County Board of Commissioners are meeting to adopt the 2026 budget, including the sheriff's budget. We'll keep you updated as this case moves forward.